Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new haul video and I have a lot of products from Colourpop, from Maybelline, from LA Girl. So I quickly wanted to haul and show you guys what all I got, so that maybe from next video I can review and try it in different video altogether. So yeah, kind of confused to talk because it's been so long since I haven't sat in front of the camera. But anyways, this is actually my third video for the day, but I actually want to finish the whole video so that I can throw all the carton stuff out and start making and shooting new videos trying all those products. So anyways, the intro is too long, but anyways, if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews. So if you come across my channel and if you are interested, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified, and the link to my Instagram is also there in the description. Please go and follow me there. I will be uploading new videos there also, and I post different things there. So if you are interested, you can follow me there. So anyways, without wasting time, let's get into the video because it's already 5:30 p.m. and I don't want to delay it much further. So let's go. So I have a Beauty Bay parcel as well as a Colourpop parcel because I had ordered a lot of things during Black Friday sale, but it almost took around 1 month to deliver to UAE. So I'm not sure why it took so long. I don't remember whether I got the parcel during New Year or after New Year or before New Year. I'm not sure, but it took around a month to really get in my hands. So anyways, now firstly I'll go with Beauty Bay because there's not a lot of things, just few things. So I'll quickly just go through all those things, and I'm honestly not gonna tell you the price and anything because I want to try it all the things in a new video. So all the details will be there, and I won't be giving any swatches as well because the swatches and everything are for the review videos. So just gonna show you what all I got. This is the Beauty Bay parcel. So firstly I got the this is not new, but I wanted to particularly try this shade. So this is the Wet n Wild Megalast lip shine lipstick, and this is in the shade Rose and Slay. This is a nudie pink tone for everyday, and it is a shiny lipstick. You can see how shiny it is. So I wanted to try this shade. So it's really pretty and it is so cheap. So I got this one. Then I got a couple of things from LA Girl. So I'll quickly show you all that as well. So firstly I got this pastel crayon. This is the Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Magic Mint. So you can see this is a pastel lemon green. I have 4 or 5 shades, but I got this one. I mean, I like the LA Girl liners, they are really nice. That's a nice liner, so I got this one. Then I got the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and I got the shade Creamy Beige, but I think this is similar to my skin tone, but I wanted something which is a little bit light for my under eyes. They were going out of stock so fast, so I had to get whatever I could. So I got this one. So let's see, maybe I can use this not for highlighting purpose, but just for under eye concealer, not for highlighting purpose, just for under eye concealer purpose. So I got this one, and they have a lot of shades, so you can actually use this for under eye concealer, highlighter, contour as well. So really nice, and I love the peach corrector from the LA Girl concealer range. Amazing, and they are very affordable. And I got 2 lipsticks. I mean, I have one liquid lipstick. I'm not sure whether they are still available or not, but they were the most matte liquid lipstick I ever tried. I mean, as soon as I applied it on my lips, it started crumbling, and I hated the formula, and it was so bad. So I actually didn't get any liquid lipsticks. I got the bullet lipsticks as a lip gloss. So firstly I have the lip gloss, which is the LA Girl Glossy Plumping lip gloss, and I got the shade Lush. So this is how it looks. I just got one each. So first I'll try, and then I'll see how it goes, and then I can buy more if I like the formula. So I got this shade, a nice mauvey nudie color. I'm really sorry about that. So I actually got this, and then I got the LA Girl bullet lipstick, and they have two kinds in this one. One is like shiny and one is like glittery one, but I think I got the shiny one and I got the shade Delightful. So this is the packaging, and I think I got shiny or shimmery, I'm not sure. And whatever the shade is, you get like the color coding here, and this is the shade. Really nice. I think they go with each other really well. I'm not sure why my camera is like not focusing. I'll just zoom you in. I think that's better. But it is like a nice rosy mauve color. Let's see how it is like nearby. Wow, that is actually really nice. That is very pretty, and the formula looks very similar to each other. It smells really nice, really pretty color, and I love like a shiny lip like what I'm wearing. It is actually really pretty. Then I got these two blushes from Milani. When I had ordered actually a lot of things from Milani, these were like not available, and still the cream blushes that come in a pot, that is like not available, but these are the new ones. So these are the Milani Cheek Kiss liquid blush, and I got two shades. They have I think 6 or 8 shades, and I don't know, somehow on the website it looks kinda too big, and when it comes in your hand it is kind of tiny. But anyway, so these are the Buildable Kiss of Color lightweight gel cream, applies smoothly for a natural flush of color. So I got two shades, and it is infused with watermelon, pomegranate and rose extract. I am not a big fan of rose, but watermelon and pomegranate, nice. The packaging is also really nice and color coded. So I got these two color, pink and one peach color. I got the shade Pink Flirt, which is this nice pink color. Really pretty. Packaging is also really nice. Then I got the other one, which is Cheeky Coral, beautiful orange color. The packaging is really nice, but when you like blend it, so it will give you like a nice peachy flush on your cheeks, and I'm liking the cream blush for now, so I wanted to try this out. And this is also available. Milani is now available on Lifestyle, Gulf, Center Point. If you are from UAE, it is available, and in store I think it is available obviously in Lifestyle and Center Point, and I think Debenhams. I think Debenhams has like the biggest counter for Milani, so check those out. So these are like available there. So I got these two blushes. Then from Maybelline I got these two eyeshadows. So these are the Color Strike cream to powder eyeshadow pen, and I got these two shades. They are not very similar, but I got like the basic shades. So they have like a couple of shades, and they have like a beautiful blue color as well. But I wanted to try something which is something I can use like on day-to-day basis, and if I like it, obviously I can go for more shades. So I got this one, which is 30 Spark. This is like a beautiful champagne rose gold shade. And then I have the other one, which is Hustle, like a beautiful bronze copper shade. I'll just swatch one and see how it goes. So this is the packaging. Can you please focus? And it has like a spongy, like the spongy stuff you get for like smudging your liners. This is like a similar thing, and wow, that is so pretty. I got the shade which I can like just put all over my lid, so that is actually really nice. It looks like a pinky color, but it is actually like a beautiful champagne shade. And then the other one is Hustle. This is also really nice. So I got these two. Prices and the links will be in the description, so please check those out. Then I got two eyeshadow palettes from LA Girl. They have like 4 kinds, but I got the one which I'll use. So firstly we have the LA Girl Keep It Playful eye palette. So this is like a beautiful cool toned eyeshadow palette, and it has beautiful shades. I'll just quickly open. So this is how the palette looks. It is like a good size. I mean, it's like bigger than my palm, but it is like a good size, and the eyeshadows look really nice. Really gorgeous color story. Beautiful cool tone palette. And I haven't like tried any eyeshadow palette, so these were like new and they looked really good. That is why I want to try it out. And I haven't tried anything new from LA Girl, so I thought I'll just give it a go. Then I got a second one, which is Keep It Playful. Both are Keep It Playful. I don't think they have different names, they have like the same name, but I got this one which has like rosy tones to it, and there is one more which is like warm and one is more purple. Not a big fan, so I got this one which has like beautiful rose tones to it. So these two are the palettes that I got from LA Girl. Then I got a bunch of like Maybelline lip glosses, the new lip glosses. I got just 5 of them. They have I think 8 or 9 shades, or I think maybe even 10, but I got these 5 shades. And I wanted the clear one, but that was like out of stock. And the new Maybelline mascara, that was like out of stock. It is not yet available, and don't know when it is going to be available in Dubai. Check it every day on Lifestyle, on Namshi, everywhere where it is possible. I check it, it's still not available. So I got like a bunch of these shades, because I mean I think these are the first lip glosses that I have from Maybelline. So I'm just quickly maybe gonna swatch one. They have like one which is like complete opaque without any shimmer, and there is like shades which have like shimmer to it. So this is the shade which doesn't have any shimmer glitter to it, it's just opaque plain lip gloss. And there is this one which has like tiny shimmers to it. So I'll just quickly show you these, and I got like 5 shades. So these are the Maybelline lifter glosses. So I'm not sure whether they'll plump up your lips or what, I'm not sure about that. So these are the 5 shades. I got 003, oh my god, the position, 003 moon, 004 silk, 005 petal, 007 amber, and 009 topaz. I didn't get any deeper shades. I usually like don't prefer deeper ones, so I'll just quickly swatch this because this is actually very pretty. And this has like beautiful shimmers to it. Wow, it's like the Maybelline ones, not Maybelline one, it's like the Fenty Beauty ones. That is so pretty. Beautiful lip gloss. Actually swatch this one, which is the shade 007 amber, which is like a pure opaque lip gloss, and this is also a really pretty color. Wow, that, not exactly, but it looks like the new Fenty Beauty cream lip gloss, the shade Fenty Glow. It looks similar to that. Very, very pretty, and it's actually really opaque. So really excited to try it out, and the video on these, review video, will be up on these very soon. I have like a big huge box of ColourPop, but I think it will already, it's like 22 minutes long, and I don't want to drag it to like 40 minutes, and that will take a lot of time. So I think I'll do a second part of this. So yeah guys, this was actually all for today's video. The ColourPop haul also will be coming up soon, so if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll put all the links to all these things in the description below. Yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.